Hey everybody.
Good morning.
This is Megan, and Megan's been my trainer now for about 4 years. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about phase 1 exercise because there's, lots of different views out there, but here's how I work with my clients. First of all, if you're new to the program and you're already doing a body weight exercise or maybe a yoga class or Pilates class, I want you to continue that. Here's what I don't want you doing. I don't want you to decide that now you need to add a 4-mile hike. Now you need to start running on the treadmill. Those things are just burning up calories, and we don't have that many calories in phase 1. So we're gonna wait on the cardio till we get to maintenance, and definitely that is a part of maintenance. So this is, Megan has an online training course where if you are, even if you're here in the area, you're one of my clients, or you watch me virtually online, Megan, I will leave a post down below where you can get the link to her online training, and she'll set up phase 1 training that you can do at home or in your own gym. So we'd love to, you can see here on YouTube, we have a whole channel or playlist, I should say, of videos that are geared to phase 1 exercise. And if you would like to work directly with Megan or myself, we do work with clients virtually. So let us know how we can help you. And here is today's workout. Megan, do you have anything you want to say?
Nope, that's it. Just you can keep it very simple, very easy, and we can create accountability for you.
Tell people a little bit about your background.
Oh my gosh. Just been an athlete my whole life. Went to college. On athletic scholarship.
To Berkeley, by the way.
Yes, and just continued coached in the collegiate level for 3 years, taught high school PE for a couple years, and now I own a gym.
And what's your passion?
This.
Yep.
Yeah, 100%.
Megan loves working with her clients and my clients and virtually with any of you to help you not only nutritionally, she has a lot of nutrition knowledge, and then also with your exercise plan. So here you go.
A little warm up for Renee this morning. These are called pull aparts. I like to have her start with these because in anything else I do, chest or upper back, the shoulders are already warmed up. She does a lot of work on the computer, and we need to always make sure that those little ligaments and joints are fully warm before we start. And that you can see it's opening up her chest and getting things going. Nice, Renee. Perfect. All right, an oldie but goodie here. The old walking lunges. Again, I like to do this at the beginning of her workouts because this opens up her hips, her hip flexors, gets the glutes activated, and a little bit of core activation as well. Nice job. So now Renee has a 25-pound kettlebell, and she's doing some kettlebell squats. Again, adding a little bit of resistance here. This is definitely for phase 1 clients. Your heart rate will go up a little bit, but not as intense as if you're doing traditional cardio. All right, and now we're just doing some traditional bicep curls. I like to have her do them nice and slow, isolating that bicep muscle right there. Her palms are up. So she's just squeezing as she comes up, keeping her abs nice and tight as well. Perfect. All right, and now I have Renee on an incline bench. And you can see she has very good form. Her palms are facing each other. Her hands are coming right down by the side of her chest. You don't want to go too wide with this, especially if you have any kind of shoulder issues. But this is gonna get some of the shoulders, the triceps, and the chest in a very safe place. Good job, Renee. All right, now Renee's doing a little old school exercise here for her kickbacks. We're always really focusing on isolating Renee's triceps because she's had some shoulder and neck issues in the past. So get those triceps, biceps, and chest going. Feels good. Good job, Renee. All right, so now Renee is gonna do step-ups with a toe touch. Perfect. And if you notice, while she does this, she keeps her heels on the step-up the whole time, so that forces those hamstrings and those glutes to work. Quads are working, but in this, I want her focusing on the hamstring stretch and the glute stretch, as well as activation. Awesome. And I'll have her do, she's gonna go 10 on each leg for 20 total. All right, go ahead, Renee. Perfect. Now I have Renee doing an inclined chest press, but with just one kettlebell. So what this is doing is, you can see how tight she's holding it next to her, so it's activating her tricep as well as her pec minor. I'm gonna have her do between 8 and 12 reps, see how she feels. Then it also activates because it's one arm, activates the opposite oblique as well. Good job, Renee. Again, we always want to be careful with Renee's shoulders and neck, and of course the chest. All right, and Renee is doing a modified push-up. Good, and I have her hands are out a little bit wide because that feels better for her shoulders and her neck. If you don't have any shoulder issues, you want to put your arms closer to your body, activating the triceps a little bit more. Good job, Renee. You can do about between 8 and 12 of these as well. Again, supersetting that chest area. Good job, Renee. So since I'm seeing Renee a few times this week, we don't have to overload each workout. So for her last workout today are just these narrow stance kettlebell squats. Pretty light. She's only doing 15 pounds there, but I have her doing one arm ones, which actually activates the core a little bit more because your body's constantly trying to get it back into position. Good, Renee. And then we will stretch out after this. Good job.
Okay, everybody. It has been great, and I love working out with Megan every morning. I try to get in here 3 to 4 days a week. It doesn't always allow for my schedule, but seriously, all it is about is consistency. When you eat consistently, if you have a little slip up, just get right back on the next minute. Don't wait for the next 3 days or Monday or the next week or the next month. Get right back together. And when you are in the gym, if you have a time when you couldn't make it for 2 weeks, just get back right on schedule. Schedule a meeting with your trainer, because that's like scheduling a meeting at work. And keep your meetings and hold yourself accountable. Have a workout buddy, whatever you got to do. So remember, if you are online and you're wondering what to do, trainermegs.com is the website where you can train with Megan every day if you want to.
Yep.
And she'll show you what to do. She'll show you phase 1 workouts, so you see what I do. And you know, you can start out with 20 minutes, 30 minutes, take it to an hour. And if you want to do some walking, go walk around the block twice, but no running, no cardio, no craziness, because that's not helping you when you're in phase 1. But definitely body weight exercises are going to give you muscle tone, and they're going to increase your metabolic rate and help you build muscle over time. So Megs, do you have anything to say?
That's it. You guys, if you have any questions, just message Renee or me, and we'll be happy to help.
That's right. Okay, have a good one.
Bye, guys.